Everyone. My name is Ashwan and I'm from Mindware Technologies. Welcome to this class. Today we'll be discussing about decorators and metaprogramming in Python. So let's move on to the first slide. In the first slide, we have about decorators. So basically, there are three types of decorators. The first one is function decorators, the second one is class decorators, and the third one is built-in decorators. So let's see about function decorators. So basically, this is in another way used to reuse the code, or we can enhance the behavior of the function. So that's it about function decorators. Now next we're moving on to class decorators. Class decorators are similar to function decorators but are applied to classes. So basically here it says that class decorators are similar to function decorators, but whereas function decorators are only used for to or modify functions and methods, but here we use class decorators to modify the classes. With the help of class decorators, we can modify or extend class functionality. Moving on to the last part, that is built-in decorators. So basically it helps to change the method. So it says how we can modify the built-in functions using the decorators. And next we are moving upon to meta classes. We have two things in meta classes. One is creating meta classes and then use cases of meta classes. Creating meta classes is nothing but meta classes define how or what the behavior and structure of classes in Python work. So basically here in meta classes, we create a subclassing type or implementing custom behavior, which helps the user or the developer to understand how the code works or how easy it is to make one. And then moving on to use cases of meta classes. So use cases of meta classes are nothing but how we use an meta class, how we are doing, how we can use it, how we recreate the code, how we implement the code. All this comes under use case of meta classes. Thank you everyone, hope you had a good session or a small catch up interaction today.